Let's start by discussing why communication is the foundation of every successful interaction, relationship, and collaboration. Communication is much more than words. It's about the energy, intention, and authenticity you bring to every exchange. The most effective communicators are the ones who make others feel heard, understood, and valued, which is why they often leave a lasting impression. This script will delve into the essential traits and practices that make communication impactful. First, importance of mindfulness in conversation. Think about the last meaningful conversation you had. The quality of that conversation was likely influenced by how present each person was. Mindfulness is the art of being truly present, giving full attention to what the other person is saying, and responding thoughtfully. A mindful approach transforms everyday conversations into moments of genuine connection and understanding. People can sense when you're genuinely engaged, and it invites them to open up in return. Second, the power of body language and tone. While words are powerful, studies show that body language and tone play a significant role in delivering a message. Confidence, warmth, and clarity are all conveyed through posture, eye contact, facial expressions, and vocal tone. The best communicators are not just well-spoken, they're also masters of subtle non-verbal cues that make them approachable and relatable. Third, listening as the cornerstone of communication. Listening is an underrated skill that is often overlooked. When people feel heard, they feel respected, which builds trust and encourages open communication. To be an active listener, eliminate distractions and focus fully on the person in front of you. Engage with empathy, ask follow-up questions, and reflect on what's being said. Active listening often leads to conversations that are more rewarding and memorable for both parties involved. Fourth, clarity and simplicity in speech. When you communicate, clarity is key. Overcomplicating your message often dilutes it. Effective communicators are concise. They know how to get to the point without overwhelming or confusing their audience. Avoid jargon, speak with intent, and choose words that are accessible. People will remember what you say if they understand it without effort. Fifth, understanding the emotional context. Understanding the emotional undercurrents in a conversation allows you to respond in a way that resonates with others. Empathy, feeling with others, enables you to connect on a deeper level. Communication is most impactful when it is sensitive to the needs, emotions, and perspectives of the other person, which makes empathy a vital component. Sixth, the role of assertiveness. Assertiveness is about expressing your thoughts and feelings openly while respecting others. It's a balance between being direct and considerate. Assertiveness can help you stand up for yourself without crossing into aggression, helping to foster relationships based on mutual respect and understanding. Seventh, adaptability in communication styles. Effective communication is adaptable. Different situations call for different approaches. The way you speak to a friend differs from how you would speak to a colleague or a supervisor. Being able to gauge what each situation demands allows you to adjust your style accordingly. This adaptability makes your communication skills versatile, allowing you to navigate a variety of social and professional environments with ease. 8. Overcoming communication barriers. Every conversation has potential barriers: language, cultural differences, misunderstandings, or personal biases. The ability to identify and work through these barriers is an invaluable skill that enhances every interaction. Recognize potential barriers, acknowledge them openly when appropriate, and find ways to bridge any gaps. Mastering communication skills is a journey. Each conversation, whether positive or challenging, provides an opportunity to grow. The key takeaway is to communicate with respect, clarity, and empathy, whether you're speaking, listening, or observing nonverbal cues. Improving these skills enhances relationships, builds trust, and leaves others with a sense of understanding, creating a powerful ripple effect in all areas of life.